Yo ho ho, and a bucket of prawns, the tiller spins, sang Salty. And the captain yawns, sang Mickey. This is Harvey, the crane engine, the Fat Controller said proudly. This made Cranky very cranky, so cranky that he swung his arm around and dropped the pipes onto the tracks instead of the trucks. Toby and his coach Henrietta were chuffing along. Toby was looking forward to a well-earned drink at the next station when... Fog detonators, puffed Toby. I'm going to be late, he cried, and it's not even my fault. The Fat Controller was in his office enjoying his toast and marmalade when he heard the news.
Why did you torch his office?
Thomas, meet Elizabeth, said his driver. At last the doors opened and out chuffed a dirty, grimy steam lorry. So, you're...
Lightning McQueen here, and I use Rusty's medicated...
Thomas was right, he is trouble. Look out, Jack, cried Alfie. Max stopped just in time. Jack... Thomas saw the flagman. His driver applied the brakes, but it was too late. Bouncing buffers, exclaimed Thomas. My plough is broken. His driver tried to stop, but the broken plough hit the water tower. Cinders and ashes, exclaimed Thomas. Donald could see the cart. Stop, he cried. Donald's driver applied the brakes, but it was too late. Heave ho, you can pull, but we won't go, sang the trucks. This made Diesel very cross. He pulled. Something's got me. Thomas wheeshed and set off an old steam whistle. Double bouncing buffers, shrieked Percy. He was so scared he lurched forward and rammed the truck. Naughty gnomes, cried Percy. Tipped over and brought back down. Why, 'tis a floating basket with folk in it, said Donald. Whatever will they dream up next, said Douglas. Ah! What's happening? Hello, James, muttered Percy icily. Scary Jack Frost! I'm an express engine, I don't go slow, he said, and he went even faster. The branch line couldn't take his weight, and the rails buckled. Oh, help, Gordon cried, as he slid off the tracks. Oh, no, hooted Percy. Yuck! He groaned. I've never been this dirty. It's not fair, Bill huffed, and he wheeshed soot all over Mavis. Bill, gasped Mavis. Oops, sorry. You made it, cried the farmer. What a brave engine you are. The vet and the farmer went to find the lambs. The Fat Controller held Clarabelle's door open when Alicia Botti screamed. The whine got louder and louder and louder. Uh-oh, said Cranky. Before he could say anything else, the jet engine was rocketing Thomas up the track. Oh! I want you to teach Stepney how to run it properly. But, sir, he asked, who will look after the trucks? She helped remove a fallen sycamore tree from the cattle creep. Help! He yelled.
What are you doing in my swamp?